guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a spiral shirt. I've washed my shirt, I've soaked it in soda ash for about at least 30 minutes, wrung it out with my Panda spin dryer so it's just barely damp, and I'm using a fork to begin my spiral. After my shirt is totally spiraled up, I'm going to tie it up with some rubber bands to hold it in place. Okay, so the shirt is dry and now it's time to start applying the dye. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely hate to throw out dye that I have mixed up. So every now and then I'll do what I call a cleanup shirt. So that's what I'm going to do on this one. I just take the colors that I have that are already mixed up, find some that kind of go together, and use those on a shirt. If I don't have enough of one color, I'll just mix them together and make enough to do that shirt with. Believe it or not, some of my cleanup shirts end up being really some of the coolest shirts that I've done because I use colors that I wouldn't necessarily put together, but that look awesome together. So for this shirt, I've divided it in half. So on one side, I'm beginning with turquoise. Then that middle area, the one right beside the turquoise, is going to be a combination of lapis, baby blue, and indigo blue. I'm going to layer them in that order. Then the last section is going to be robin's egg blue. Then the second half, I'm starting with sweet pea, and across from the sweet pea I'm going to put peony and amethyst in the middle. Then on the back, I'm going to only use 4 colors on the back, and I'm going to use darker colors. I'm going to use nightshade, and across from the nightshade I'm going to put strong navy. Then in between those two on one side I'm going to put powerberry, and on the other side I'm going to put dances with raisins. After I'm finished applying the dye, I'm going to turn the shirt over and I'm going to leave it with the lighter shades up while it processes. Alright, so here's what our shirt ended up looking like. See, I think this one turned out really cool. Who would have ever known that this was a cleanup dye? Listen, if you all are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching!